Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery, and in today's video, I want to help you understand your porn addiction a little bit better so that you can understand why you're always wanting more or why you're always desiring more. Because I talk to men every single week and they're constantly, reaching out. Frank, I'm trying to break out of this. I'm trying to overcome this. I'm trying, a no-fap approach, or I need to reboot or rewire my brain from pornography, but I just can't stop. It keeps calling me. I want more and more and more. I don't know what to do. These are the things that you're probably feeling and experiencing right now. So I want to help you understand at the root of your chemistry and the root of your biology, what is occurring and why you're constantly in desire for more, why you're constantly wanting more and more and more. But just in case you guys are new to the channel, my name is Frank Rich, CEO and founder of Rebuilt Recovery, and it is our goal to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, we do that in a few different ways. First of all, right here on YouTube, we are releasing new videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. So if you're new and you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single week. And if you're at the point where you're trying to uncover what can life be like without pornography, you're in the early stages of trying to break out of this addiction, make sure to grab our free ebook. It's 7 Steps to Living Life Without Porn, where I walk you through actually how to build a life where porn no longer even enters the equation and porn no longer is the problem that you're associated with, and you can step into becoming the man that you were created to be. But let's address this topic here. Why are you always wanting more? Why are you always in need of more and more and more? I think for so many of us early on, we fall victim to porn because it gives us something that we've never felt or experienced before. I mean, the unlimited supply of naked, beautiful women at our exposure, where we can just at the drop of a hat or the drop of a dime have access to everything that we feel we're supposed to get intimately, everything that we're supposed to get from our desires, from our sexual needs. That's where we're seeking, and that's where we're going to porn, is to fill some empty place of inside, some empty desire that we're not getting sexually. But what ends up occurring is porn is hijacking our brain and our body's reward system. It's no longer about this sexual fulfillment. It's no longer about the intimacy that we thought that we were going there for. It becomes a pure need to live and operate as a man. It's literally hijacked our body and our brain. It's hijacked our ability to function without the use of porn, and then the outcome being masturbation and release. So this is just the same effects that are occurring with your addicted drugs, cocaine, alcohol, heroin, some of the more extreme ones. They hijack your body's reward system, meaning when you're falling into an addiction, and the way that I define an addiction is the narrowing of things that bring you pleasure. So think about your situation right now. Think about your life. What things bring you pleasure and enjoyment? Chances are it's very few, if not only one, which is your use and habit of pornography. So you've got to admit to yourself, first of all, that you do have a problem, you are addicted, but then you can actually take back control of it. But with the hijacking of this reward system, our body operates and is designed to function off of rewards. When we go after something that we want, our body says, hey, great job. It rewards us for doing that. And it does that by releasing a neurochemical known as dopamine. Now, what ends up happening with an overuse and constant viewership of porn is you've hijacked that body's reward system. So think about it. Every new image, every new video, every new release, every new scene is a dopamine hit, dopamine hit, dopamine hit. Now, we were designed for dopamine. Dopamine is there to reassure us that we're moving in the right direction towards our goals, towards our dreams. But with an endless supply of dopamine, literally hit after hit after hit after hit, you end up atrophying that neuroreceptor. You end up literally causing it to not function and fire properly, to where now the only thing that's going to bring you more and more dopamine is going to be more and more pornography. That's why you've lost interest in your everyday life. That's why you've lost interest in the things that brought you joy and pleasure as a young man or as a kid. Think about your life right now. How much time do you spend in play? How much time do you spend just enjoying the everyday life and the world around you? Chances are it's very, very minimal, because the only thing right now that's bringing you pleasure and enjoyment is the use and viewership of pornography. Like I said, it's literally hijacked your body's reward system. So what can you do? Well, first and foremost is you got to eliminate porn from your life once and for all and for good. So if you're ready to do that, brother, raise your hand and say amen, because we are ending pornography in the world today, collectively and as a group here. So that's the first thing you got to do is you got to remove pornography from your life forever. Now, here at Rebuilt Recovery, we actually equip you with some tools and protocols and habits that will actually strengthen and rebuild those dopamine neurotransmitters. And if you want to find out some of how that works, like I said, in our free ebook, we explain how to build a life without porn. And we've also been releasing videos for the past few months now. And in some of these videos, we're giving you the tools and strategies and how to play offense in rebuilding your body and rewiring your mind. So make sure to check out the entire library of videos here. But most importantly, guys, it's understanding how porn has hijacked your body's reward system, but also then knowing that you have the ability to take back control of it. And that's what we're here to help you with. So if you're looking for some help, guys, download the free ebook and schedule a call with myself. We are looking for a small handful of guys right now that are ready to change their life once and for all. It is a selected group of individuals, applications only, where you work one-on-one with me over the course of 16 weeks to rebuild your body, to rewire your brain, and to reshape your heart, and ultimately give you the life that you know that you were created to live. So, understanding the hijacks, understanding how your body operates and functions off of the use of its reward system and dopamine is a vitally important part to you breaking out of this addiction to porn. So, hope this video was valuable to you guys. Hope you make sure to check out the other videos in our library down there below. But that's it, guys. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. What other questions, what other topics do you guys have? Like I said, we're doing new videos, 5 videos a week right now at this point. So we need some input, we need some insight on what things you guys are struggling with. So make sure to leave us down in the comments some questions, concerns, comments that you guys have about this subject matter and material. But that's it, guys. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery, making sure that you understand how your body has been hijacked by pornography and ultimately what you need to do about it. I'll see you guys on the other side.